If you're looking for a tool that can help manage your finances more effectively, Brigit might be worth checking out. It's a finance app designed to provide some serious help with budgeting, building credit, and even accessing cash when you're in a pinch. What stands out to me about Brigit is how user friendly it is. You can get started in just a couple of minutes and you don't need to worry about credit checks or upfront deposits. That's a big win for anyone who's had issues with traditional financial institutions. One of the app's main features is the instant cash service, which can help you avoid those dreaded overdraft fees if you're someone who's ever found themselves scrambling for cash just to make ends meet between paychecks. Brigit can help you out. You can request an advance on your paycheck, and it's pretty seamless. No interest, no late fees. And if you're in a rush, there's even an option to get your cash delivered in just a few minutes for a small fee. This is great if you're in a financial bind and need access to cash quickly. Another cool feature of Brigit is its credit builder program. If you've been struggling with your credit score, this could be a game changer. You can start building your credit history with payments as low as $1 per month, which is perfect for people who might not have a lot of extra cash to spend, but still want to improve their credit. Plus, you won't get dinged with hard credit checks, which is pretty rare in the world of credit building. It's nice to see an app that doesn't add extra stress to your finances, especially when it comes to things like building credit. It's a simple, no hassle way to improve your credit over time. Brigit also does a solid job of helping you stay on top of your spending. The app gives you insights into where your money is going and provides a breakdown of your spending habits. This can be a huge help if you're trying to stick to a budget or cut down on unnecessary expenses. It even alerts you to upcoming bills so you won't miss a payment. And if you're someone who often forgets about subscriptions or recurring payments, this could be a huge lifesaver. That said, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the features are helpful, Brigit operates on a monthly subscription plan, so it's important to consider whether the cost fits into your budget. Also, while the instant cash service can be a great lifeline, it's not entirely free if you need the money fast. You'll pay a small fee for that expedited service. For some, this could be a turnoff, especially if they're trying to avoid paying extra fees. But overall, Brigit really seems like a solid option for anyone who's looking to manage their finances better. It's an app that can help you stay out of debt, improve your credit score, and get you access to cash when you need it most. Plus, the customer service seems pretty responsive and the reviews are overwhelmingly positive, so it seems like a tool people actually find helpful. If you're trying to get a better handle on your finances or need a little help with unexpected expenses, Brigit might just be worth a try.